Good afternoon, good moments to wherever you may be hearing me. My name is Timothy. This afternoon, I would like to take Mr. Onoja Monday on variable, comment, print, escape sequence, and indentation. So now we start by defining a variable. A variable is can be thought of as a container having a name which is used to store a value. In programming parlance, it is reserved memory location to store values. In other words, a variable in Python programming gives necessary data to a computer for processing. So we need to declare a variable and also assign a variable. The two of them are quite different. So you can see the
Okay.
way we declare a variable. So 1 equal to 14, 2 equal to what? 10. Then I can print out 1 and 2. So I have this 14 and 10. Then I can print out 1 plus 2, print 1 plus 2. Can you see? Print 1 minus 2. Can you see? Print 1 times 2.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see? And also print what?
Mm-hmm.
Print 1 power 2. So that
Mm-hmm.
means as we print 10, as we print 14, raised to power 10. These are the results. Are the result of everything you are seeing here. These are the
Mm-hmm.
results. So now let's go back to variable naming. There are some conventions in variable naming. There are some rules, about 7 rules we want to discuss now. So number 1 rule, a variable must start with a letter or the underscore character. The word must is very important. A variable must start. So that means a variable has to start with a letter, either with capital letter or small letter. It has to start with a letter. Look at example now. John. Look at example now. John equal to 28. This is a valid name. Then underscore John equal to 80. This is also a valid name. So a variable must start with a letter. So now number 2, a variable cannot start with a number. So you can't start a variable with a number. Like for example, 3 John, 76 underscore John. So all these ones, you can't start a variable with a number. It's not possible. So that's another rule. So the first thing is that a variable must start with a letter. Second thing is that you must not start a variable with what? With a number. So what about rule number 3? Number 3, a variable can only contain alphanumeric character A to Z, then 0 to 9, and underscore. Look at it now. Ade is equal to 50. This is a valid name. And also Ade underscore John is equal to 80. It's also a valid name. Look at it. Ade underscore 272307 or 44 is a valid name because it has started with a word, with a word, with a letter, not with a number.
Mm-hmm.
So now look at this. Ade 2307. There's no underscore there. 75 is still a
Mm-hmm.
valid name. Still a valid variable
Yeah.
name. So we have assigned those things. Now look at rule number 4. A variable cannot contain white space. So a variable cannot contain white space. And words and signs such as plus, minus, etc. Look at it now. Ade underscore John. Sorry. Ade John. Ade John. Look at it. Ade John. So
Mm-hmm.
with the introduction of this space, this white space, this is not a
Mm.
valid name since you
Yes.
have introduced a space here, a white space here.
Yeah.
So it's no
Yes.
more a valid name. Look at this one now. Ade minus John. So it's no more a valid name because you have introduced what? You have introduced
An operator.
arithmetic notation. So it's no more a
Mm-hmm.
valid name. Hmm? Look at this place now. Ade plus gold. That's 44. So it's not a valid name. Look at this. Ade S space Y 34. So it's not a valid name. So all these ones, take note of them.
Yeah.
As when we teach your students, so all this area are the area you're going to teach your students from the beginning. So they must know all this
Mm-hmm.
foundation. So that's why I
Mm-hmm.
take it along with you to teach you all this foundation.
It's okay.
Variable names are case sensitive. So like this one now, Ade, look at Ade here, then look at Ade here. These are two different things.
Mm-hmm.
Ade here, Ade here, Ade here. These three are different because the way they wrote the Ade are different. The three of them are Ade, 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 but they are different.
Yeah.
So Ade here and Ade here are not the same because it is case sensitive. This one I wrote here now. Look at my note here. So now number 6. So Python keywords cannot be used as a variable name. Is a Python
Yes.
keyword. For is a Python keyword. Define is a Python keyword. And Python keyword. First, Python keyword. So you can use all these
Mm-hmm.
ones as what? As a variable name. You can use them as what?
Variable yeah.
As variable name. So note that none of the 35 keywords should be used to represent a variable. It is forbidden in Python. It's forbidden in Python. You get it now? It's forbidden in
Mm-hmm.
Python. Now, number 7, that's the last one. Like I told you, so I say it's always advisable to use a name that is what? That describe a purpose. Look at it now. A goes some 31. E goes 72. What do you mean by E? Is this E stand for egg? Is it stand for egg? So you must try to define what you want to define. To define as so that you can remember later on. Like A
Yeah.
now, is it what you are saying? Is it ade? Is it age? Is it affordable? Is it addition? Is it something that you can remember of to be used
Mm-hmm.
here, not just ordinary letter like A, like K, like T, like M.
Mm-hmm.
So all those ones you get confused when you are writing a complex code. So now wrong ways of naming variable. 2 Peter 12:25. This is wrong. Look at it now to give us wrong. So it's wrong. It's saying that invalid name. That's wrong. Look at it now. Peter,
Mm-hmm.
space, Yakome, 34. It's wrong. Look at it now. Peter, then dash, Yakome. It's wrong. So correct way. How do you correct it? Peter, 39. So print Peter. What's our answer? 39. Then Peter 2, go 25. Print what? Peter. Look at this place also. Look at this place also. So look at this. All these places also, they are what? They are very correct. Am I communicating?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, 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 I'm with you.
Now also, X is equal to what? James. Y is equal to what? John. Then the two of them are quoted. Since they are on the coach, so they are still variable name. You are declaring them as variable name. So like this now, it's a
Mm-hmm.
string now, it's a string. When we get to that stage, you understand it more. More about data types. We call it string, lists, tuple, and so on and so forth. When we get to that stage, you understand it more. So if you want to write ordinary letter like this, you have to put it in quotes. So that's when the
Mm-hmm.
programming will see it, to see it clearly. So y is equal to what? John. So print x and y. So John, James, John. So now, besides integers, we can also use Boolean, true, false, string, float, and so on. Other types, and some other types. So like this now, look at this now, 4 is equal to 48. My number, this is
Mm-hmm.
100. Then 4 plus my number. What is your answer? Give us 648.
Mm-hmm.
So in this place, look at this now. 448, my number is this. Print, yes, this place now, I have to print this. Look at this place. I did not put the word print here.
Mm-hmm.
It's giving me a space. Look at the space here, a number here, then
Okay.
output.
Okay.
Because I put the word print here, it doesn't give me anything like output here. Do you see now the
Mm-hmm.
difference?
Yes.
Are we communicating?
Yes, sir.
Good. Let's look at more examples. X is equal to what? 100. Y is what? 200. What is M? 300. What is P? 400. So now X is now what? Is now 10. Y is now what? Is now half. In the same cell like this. In the same cell like this. Notice the same cell now. So Python, we only see the last value of an assigned variable.
Mm-hmm.
So what you assign in X here is 100. But when you get to this place, you assign 10. So Python will see X now as what? As 10,
As times.
not 100 again. So the same thing as Y. You assign Y here as what? As 200. But you assign Y here as half. So Python now assign print,
Mm-hmm.
print Y. Python will see the last value of your assignment, which is
Okay.
which is half. So let's print M. M will remain M and P will remain P. So let's print out this one now. Can you see now? 10
Mm-hmm.
is for X. 0.5 is for what? Is for Y.
Mm-hmm.
Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. What about the rest? Uh-huh. What about M? Remain what? 300 and P 400. What about this
Mm-hmm.
place? Q 22, W 50. Then you have to do what? You have to do Q plus W. That's what?
Mm-hmm.
72. What
72.
about S times Y plus M minus plus P minus M? That means the latest value of x here is 10. And the
Mm-hmm.
latest value of y here is what? 0.5. So
Mm-hmm.
10 times 0.5, that will give us 5. 5 plus p.
Mm-hmm.
What is the latest value of p? The latest value of
Half.
p is what? Is 4.
Okay, 400.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
So, and also n. So these are the results. Now look at another way to represent value. Sy, you can say syz. You can say syz.
Yes.
Now you want to say 200, 400, 700. So that means the system will assign this value to each of these one by one. See a plus 3.
Mm-hmm.
Are you getting that
Mm-hmm.
now?
Yes, sir.
Print M, print S, print Y. These are the values. Any question?
No, sir.
What about this? A, B, C, D. Look at me. I'm assigning what? 9, 6, 4. Let's see. Let's see this. It will give me the error. Why? Because you have four alphabets here, but you have three here.
Mm-hmm.
So it makes it
Yes.
complex for Python to assign each of the values into it. So that means it remain only what? It mean only one. Am I communicating?
Mm. Yes,
So
sir.
now say print what? Print A, then print what? Print B, then print what? Print C, then print what? Print D.
D.
So the value has been printed. So the value the alphabet here, there are 4. The value also here, there must be 4. If they are not 4, you get error.
Yeah.
So hope you are communicating.
Yeah, very well.
So now the next thing now is S 200, Y 400, M 700. So print SY M. So now print 2x minus 3 what? 3y plus 10n. 2x minus 3y plus n. That's what we are doing here. I hope you know the meaning of this hash here. This hash here is
Yeah,
used to explain,
comments.
comments, to explain the line of code. What about this value? S10, Y727, P98. Now print SYP. Look at the way it will print. Look at the
Mm-hmm.
SYP printed here, like this
Yeah.
format. Look at the SYP that is printed here, like this format. You
Yeah.
see
Okay.
now?
Okay.
So
Yes.
it's just for you to understand. Look at this place now. SYM 15. That means the value of
Mm.
X, Y, M, everything equal to what? 15.
15.
That's what this one is talking about. So everything
Okay.
here is 15. Please let me pause. So we have done this. S is equal to M, equal to Y, equal to M, equal to 15. So everything here is 15. That's our result. Now, concatenation. Concatenation, this means joining two or more strings together. Like what? For example, now S is equal to what? It's equal to 12.0. Y equal to what? 10. So anytime you have anything points in front of number, that particular thing is called floats.
Okay.
Anything that has points, that means a float. Anything without
Yeah.
points, that means it's integer. So like we see it now, S is equal to 12.0. That's a float. So that
Yeah.
S is a float. For example, now Y equal to 10 now. That's Y is an integer.
An integer, yes.
So let us now run that cell. No, I'll run the cell now. You can see the result 24. So we are run the cell now. That means we have assigned 12.0 to X. We have assigned
Mm-hmm.
10 to Y. Let's now
Mm-hmm.
go to how do you print now? So this one S is about 2. That means 12 is about 2. That's what it means. So print Y. Then print type X. I want to know type X. That is, how to the type of this X. Like I told you, type X is what? Is a float. So I want to know type Y. I'll print type Y. What is type Y? What is Y? This type Y. The type is what?
Integer.
It's integer. So
Integer.
these are the things I want to know and to give me. Can you see? Class, float,
Mm-hmm.
class, integer. Then also X plus Y. That's what? That gives us what? 22.0. So it means that you can add float with integer to get you good results.
Mm-hmm.
What about this place? G 20.0 and
Float.
H 11. So I want
Integer.
to add what? I want to print h plus g. So this is
Mm-hmm.
float. This is integer.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
it's addable. The two of them are addable.
Mm-hmm.
So now
Mm-hmm.
look at this place now. X is equal to 12. Y is equal to what? 10. But the 12 here you are seeing here, it has quotes.
Mm-hmm.
When it has quotes, it's no more integer. It has become
Mm-hmm.
string.
Mm-hmm.
Once it has quotes, it has become string.
Yeah.
Are you getting me?
Yeah.
So I want to know the type of X. That's a string. And I want to add X plus Y.
Mm-hmm.
Hope you are getting me now.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the result. Look at the results.
Mm-hmm.
So the X plus Y now will become 1210
Yeah.
because the 12 you are seeing here is not 12, it's 1 2.
Yes.
The 12
That's
you are
true.
seeing here is not 10, it's 1 0.
Mm-hmm.
It's like I put 1 4 now. If I put 1 4, that becomes 1 2 1 4.
1 4. Mm-hmm.
So the system will not take it as 12. System will
Yeah,
consider it
that's
as
true.
1 2. Also,
Mm-hmm.
why system will consider it as 1 4, not 14.
Mm-hmm.
So take note of that. Look at this place too. ABC, that's Q. W, C, D. I want to add what? I want to add Q plus W. Look at what's giving us. Giving us A, B, C, C, D. A, B, C, C, D. So we have A, B, C, C, D. Am I communicating?
Mm-hmm.
What about this place? This place also the same way with last time. What about this place? K, John is handsome. P and
Mm-hmm.
brilliant. Then Q and is 26. So print K plus P,
Mm-hmm.
print K plus Q. Look at the answers.
Mm-hmm.
John is
Mm-hmm.
handsome and brilliant. John is handsome and 26. Look at this place
Mm-hmm.
now. I kept space here, white space here. That's also part of that's why you have the white space in this place.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, you won't have white space here in this place.
Yeah, I understand. I understand.
Aha. So that's what I'm saying. Look at this place too. B divided with 14, A 10, A 30, A 50, A 102. So what is A? A is the last value, which is what? 102. Like I told you last time. Any question?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm following.
So this is also the same way with what I explained previously. Concatenation. It's just like addition, add it together, and the result is what? You have what? You have name, John, you have location, look, Abuja, and you have skill, Python. Then print name plus what is from. So that means this place, I want to join some sentences together. I want to join to form a sentence. So it's from plus look. That plus look means that plus what? Abuja.
Abuja,
John is
yes.
replaced by Abuja. Then what? And he's learning what? He's learning then plus skill. What is skill? Python.
Right
So
on.
you have these results. Go through it. The same way here. The same way in this place. Go through. The same way in this place. Go through. Just like manipulation. That is all.
Yes.
So this place too, S50. Why what? This S200. So this was just represent what I've done previously.
Mm-hmm.
So I've done this one previously. Go through them. Go through them and you see that your result is what? Is what I'm saying. Now swapping.
Yeah.
Swapping means you interchange. When you say swapping, you interchange. That's the meaning of
Mm-hmm.
swapping. You interchange. X is 5. Y is 10. Then A is equal to X. X is equal to
Mm-hmm.
Y. Then A is equal to what? X is equal to Y. Sorry, Y is equal to A. Then print S, print what? Print Y. So you interchange. That's meaning of swapping. You interchange. The value of X start from 5 as beginning. But when you get to this place, they said A is equal to what? X. That means A has become the value of X, which is 5. Are
Yeah.
you getting me? So
Yeah.
this place, your S now becomes Y. That means your S, which you have declared here as 5, it has become the value of Y, which is 10. So this place now, Y has become 10. Y also, Y, this Y now becomes A. So what is A here? A is S. And what is S? 5. That means Y has become 5.
Mm-hmm.
That's why we say print Y. You have 5. And also print S. What is S here? S has become Y. And what is that Y? Y is equal to 10.
Mm-hmm.
So you have print X to be 10 and print Y to be what? That's your answer. Then
Yeah.
so more about swapping. Go through it. You will read more about swapping on all this
Yeah.
area. So more about swapping, all these areas. So go and go through it. With my explanation, you should be able to understand it more. So
Yes.
comments. You have already known comments. You have been using comments. Comments when you use hash
Yeah.
at the back of a sentence and do what and you try to write some things to explain like what 50 plus 43. This is the addition of what 50 and 43. I put hash here. This hash you are seeing here is like a comment. It can be in the front, it can be below. So
Okay.
look at this place now. It can be, even be at the beginning. We are
Yeah.
subtracting 4 from 7 with the following command. Can you see? So it can even be
Yeah.
at the beginning. It can be at below, be under. So that's the comments.
Mm-hmm.
So now let's go to print. Print function. Print function. Print function. So now we have example. Hello, my dear
I'm with
brothers
you.
and sisters in this class. So I want to print this. And I put inside what? Inside the quotes. That means it's what? It's not a string. And I want to print it out. So can you see the
Mm-hmm.
results? Look at the results.
Yeah. Yeah.
So y has declared to be hello, my dear brother and sister. So print y. Can you see the result
Mm-hmm.
now? See the results. So look at this place also. I declare what? Hello, comma 2023. So I declare to what? Hello 2024. Can you see the
Mm-hmm.
result
Mm-hmm.
now? So I can put everything together to be what? Because this place now, this 2024 is a number. That's why it is not necessary to put in the word string. But also you can put inside string here and get
Okay.
this hello together.
Yeah.
So pray John is 26 years old. Can you see now the way I put it together? So
Mm-hmm.
Gbemi has 3 years experience in driving. Can you see the way I done together? So that three, I remove it out to be what? To be because it's a what? It's a number.
Is the number? It's an integer.
It's an integer, exactly. So the same way with everything up to the end. So
Yeah.
some ways to handle print function. So number one, the first way, you have f string or formatted string literal. So by the time you will get more advanced to coding into machine learning,
Mm-hmm.
we shall be using
Mm-hmm.
this thing you are seeing. So
Okay.
S is equal to Mary. Then print F. So print F, that is this F string. F string.
Mm-hmm.
So print F, the man is
Mm-hmm.
nice, very nice, and belong to X. So you now put this X inside
Mm-hmm.
what? That is back like this.
Mm-hmm.
So you now see the results.
Yes.
And belong to Mary. Because we have declared S to be Mary at the beginning.
Maybe.
So that's
Yes.
why I put this S here.
Mm-hmm.
Why my father? Print F, the man in suit is Y. That means the man
Mm-hmm.
in suit is my father.
Mm-hmm.
Any question?
No.
Good. The same way with all this.
Mm-hmm.
Same way with all this. So also
Mm-hmm.
look at this place now, D and W. So print, I am what? I am a friend to D. That means to David. Why he is
Mm-hmm.
also an enemy to what? To W.
W.
Mr. Hank.
Mm-hmm.
Are you see now? So the same
Yes.
way here. So S can start from the sentence, but that F must be very, very, very important there.
Yes.
And
Yes. I
and
understand.
it may be a single string or double string. It doesn't mean that it must be single.
Okay.
Look at this place now. Look at this place now. We can have it like this. We can have it like this. Have it like this. So it can be like this. Can you see? So that is
Yes.
double string. So
I understand.
now this also the same way. Same way. Let's go to second one. Second number two. Format
Mm-hmm.
space function. So now look at
Mm-hmm.
this format now. Look at this format now. Print the hmm, the B
Mm-hmm.
at A in the University of Ibadan is 230. Dot format.
Mm-hmm.
You now define what B is. This is the definition of
Mm-hmm.
B and also this definition of A.
Okay.
So it means that system will replace all these in place of B and all this in
Mm-hmm.
place of A. So that means what?
Mm-hmm.
The number of classrooms available in the University of Ibadan is what? 230.
Mm-hmm.
So that A is what? Is Zik hostel. That means the number of classrooms available at Zik hostel. So at Zik hostel, can you see now?
Mm-hmm.
Any question?
No.
So the same way we did that, we could also define it like this, like
Mm-hmm.
S, Y, Z. And we now
Mm-hmm.
insert it like this. When we insert it, we now say dot format. S is S,
Mm-hmm.
Y is Y, Z is Z. So the meaning is that
Mm-hmm.
what? What's the meaning? The value of S will be taken from this place.
Yes.
Why the value of what? So the S you are seeing here is 230, that's integer. But the Z
Mm-hmm.
you are seeing here is what? Is string. It's not an integer.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So that means the faculty of what? Faculty of Y, faculty of engineering, has
Mm-hmm.
230 students with
Mm-hmm.
230 ID numbers.
Mm-hmm.
That's the way you pronounce it.
Okay.
Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
So the same way here, you can declare S here, declare Y, Z here. You now put dot format. So this second way. Look at the first way, look at the second way. So I think
Mm-hmm.
I'm communicating.
Yeah, very well.
So now that's the same way. Go through there. Let's go to escape. Escape button. The escape button is this way. Look at this application. That is really
Mm-hmm.
easy. Because you're abbreviating this one means that is really easy. Because you're abbreviating it. And
Mm-hmm.
you use abbreviation of this single quote. And the same
Mm-hmm.
single quote is used here to put all this one into what? Into string. To give us
Mm-hmm.
error.
Mm-hmm.
To give us error. So instead
Mm-hmm.
of that, we can use this slash to demarcate that this quote you are seeing here is not
Mm-hmm.
a code for the string.
Yes.
It's a code being used to summarize what? To summarize that sentence into a short form.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You see now? Now, if you want to
Mm.
follow that pattern, you can follow pattern of using double quotes. Double quotes
Okay.
for the string, while you use single quotes
Mm.
in the abbreviation.
Yes.
This also give us the real sense. So that's just the summary. Look at this place too. We can use this when you are writing a sentence and you want to make it into two forms. That is really easy. Full stop. You this what? This forward slash any.
Mm.
Right? Yes. So that forward slash any will bring everything in the front here into
To a new
underline
line.
entirely.
Mm.
I hope you are getting me now.
Yes, sir.
So the same way with this now, inspecting normative and outliers. Look at it. Forward slash n. Then for sample size, go to 100. Look at it
Mm-hmm.
now. That means it's bringing everything with including what? Including the brackets into what? Into the next line. We can do it as many as possible. Forward slash any, forward slash any here, forward slash any here. We can use as many as possible. So the number of time you use it, the number of lines to be forming.
Yeah, we get, yeah.
That is gone. Look at also this prints, then forward slash t. Forward slash t is to what? Is to leave a
Tab.
space. To leave some
Mm-hmm.
space, white space. Are you getting me? To
Yes,
leave
sir.
some white space in the front. So now let us go to another example. Print, when I had my first O level result, the first class, there's no hand here. There's no T
Mm-hmm.
here. I come to the next line, I say, comma, I needed to wait to get some money. This is used when you are writing a sentence and you are inside the
Mm-hmm.
code like this, and you are writing, and the words, and what you're writing is very long. It can enter into
Mm-hmm.
another place like this. Look at this place. Now what I'm saying is this. Maybe you are writing a sentence like this. Look at it. Maybe sentence like this. Like this. Look at it though. Like this. Like
I'm
this.
following.
Look at this. Following. Look at this now. Can you see now?
Mm-hmm.
Now you
Mm-hmm.
enter into this. I need to go like this. I need to move like
Yes,
this so
yeah,
where I can see what I'm
yes,
writing. So instead of
yes.
all this to pass through all this stress, so
Mm.
the best is what? Is to cut it.
Yes,
You can cut it. You get my point? You can cut it by
yes.
introducing what? Introducing what? Introducing what? Forward slash.
Mm-hmm.
Introducing forward slash. And the forward slash is this place. You can use the what? Forward slash. Are you getting my
Okay.
points?
Yes, sir.
So the forward slash, and from the forward slash, you can go to underline, you put comma, and you move on.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the reason why it is not done here is because of this slash here. Because of the double
Mm-hmm.
space I'm having here.
Yes.
So there should be space in the front of that forward slash. There should not be
Mm.
space in the front. If you put space in the front,
Mm-hmm.
it will give us error.
Oh, okay.
So take note of it. It should not have
Mm-hmm.
space.
Okay.
Good. So the same way this place. So that is it. Now go to addentation. Addentation means when you leave some white space at the beginning of a sentence or at the middle or at the end or wherever you have it. Look at this
Mm-hmm.
place now. This is not giving us error because this ade and this prince, they are on the same row on the same addentation.
Mm-hmm.
So look at this place now. Look at this place. Ade to 34, then you use what? Semicolon. Any code you write in front of it, it will run, irrespective of the number of space you put, it will run because of this
Okay.
semicolon.
Okay.
So when you are writing a code, you can put everything in a single line like this now. Look at this now. You can say what? You can say C is equal to 12, semicolon. Eh? You can say E is equal to 15,
Okay.
semicolon. You
So the
can say
semicolon
print.
allow you to do multiple codes on a single
Exactly. You
line.
can say print she plus E. Look at the answer. So semicolon will allow you to do multiple things. That's what we
Mm-hmm.
need now. So are you getting me? Now
Yeah.
look at this. Ade 34, print 34, because the two of them are aligned in the same addentation. So the result will come out 34. But
Ah.
if Ade is having about double addentation, first one, second one, third one, like this now, and
Mm.
the print is not in the same alignment with it, the print
Mm.
is before it, it will give us error.
Okay.
And also, if Ade is at the beginning and the print is far away from it like this, you still give us what?
Mm.
Give us error.
Yeah.
But look at this now. Ade is not in the beginning, given adaptation, but print is at the beginning. This will
Yeah.
work out well. It should not give us error
Okay.
because the
Okay.
print is at the beginning. Look at this place now. The print is not at the beginning here.
Mm-hmm. And
Look
at
at
this
this
not the
now.
beginning.
The print is not at the beginning here.
Mm-hmm.
So if the print is at the beginning, irrespective of the number of space you have left at this place, this upper line, it will still
Mm-hmm.
run correctly.
Okay.
Name Thompson. Print. My name is name. My name is Thompson. Any question?
Mm-hmm. No.
Look at this place now. This will give you error.
Okay.
Look at this place now. This will give you error because the print is at the beginning. It won't give you error.
Mm-hmm.
So that
Yes.
is it. That is the end of today's class.
Thank you very much.